Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 15, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. And we're going to dissect some articles about the likely price movement for Tron paired against the dollar and see whether or not what they're writing on their articles, if it's actually confusion versus what the price chart actually has to say. Thank you all for coming to our channel on today. This is your first time watching. Make sure you continue to go ahead and like and share these videos, subscribe, hit that bell notification as well so you become notified of when we upload this fantastic, accurate, and reliable information without the confusion. The last time we did our video for Tron was on July 7th, 2019. You can see right here on the right side of the screen of what we expected the market in Tron to do. We'll talk about that momentarily. But first, we're going to look at this article right here from Blockonomy on July 15, 2019, which is today, with the title Tron Price Prediction Approaching Significant Support in Buy Zone. Now, I went ahead and have already highlighted some important aspects of this article that causes confusion, okay? Namely, a lot of technical indicator jargon, and on top of that, hypothetical wording in the article that does not leave the reader in any better position prior to them actually reading the article. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right on into the article first, and then after that we'll go ahead and give you our expectations as to what we expect Tron to do without causing you any confusion. All right, so now Tron price started a major downtrend after forming a double top near 0.0405. okay, and it is right here that this article is referencing, right up here to where the market twice came and hit that 4-cent level. All right, and they consider this a failed attempt of the market moving higher. That's why the double top is considered a bearish move, because a second opportunity and the market in Tron couldn't do it is a indication that the market is weak and that it will continue to ensue lower prices, in which Tron did play that out nicely. All right, now next thing I pointed out is that Tron price is likely to find a strong buying interest near 0.022 and then 0.023 support region. The only way that you're able to tell if you're seeing that strong buying interest is by the volume. So if you don't get any increase in volume around that price level that she writes, then again, buyers are not in the market yet. After two failed attempts, talking about right here, this double top, Tron's price started a significant downward move. Tron's price broke the 0.03 and 0.0305 support levels to enter a bearish zone, meaning the market is going to be moving lower. That's all that means, bearish. When you look at this price chart, you see massive indications of confusion. You have Fibonacci retracement lines, moving averages lines, and then you have RSI down here at the bottom. And again, it's too confusing and to determine what the market is going to do. All you want to know is the market in Tron going to move higher or lower? It doesn't require all of these indicators just to determine just that. And this is another indicator right here, 25 days simple moving average. This is right here on her price chart. And then she has a Fibonacci extension level on the price chart as well. Now listen to this jargon. The 1.618 fib extension level of the upward move from the 0.0290 low to 0.0404 swing high is also near the 0.0219 level to act as a strong support area. All of that for what? Because immediately after that sentence, it goes into the hypotheticals. If Tron price dips further, if it does, it is likely to find a strong buying interest, which we have already told you that strong buying is commensurate with high volume. If the volume doesn't come in, then the buyers are not that strong. plain and simple. And this should give you another hypothetical. If there is a downside break and close below 0.022, the next stop for the sellers could be near 0.0175. Next, if Tron price stays above 0.022 support area, there are chances, is not a guarantee, of a fresh recovery. So just looking at this article right now is mass confusion going on. And then on top of the mass confusion, it's still hypothetical on if. Well, what if the market doesn't pan out that way? It's too many. We're not in a better position by reading this article. Matter of fact, we had a worse position because we're even more confused as to what the bias of the market in Tron is going to be. Is the market going to move higher or is it going to move lower? We don't need to see all of this on our price chart. Neither do we need to read about technical jargon, indicators, and then hypotheticals. We're not in a better situation by looking at this article. The only way that we'll be in a better situation is by strictly focusing on the price chart without the use of technical indicators. The less indicators you have on your price chart, the better you'll be into performing the bias movement of that particular instrument. It clears the fog in the market once you take off those indicators in the space. And that's what we're here to show you. All right. So now let's go into our analysis for Tron. And you guys can mention, if you guys can remember, I said that we did our video for Tron right here on the 7th. We did an update video on the 7th of July right here. And when we recorded the market, Tron was traded right up here at the high of this bar. And we said that we were going to take some simulated profits out of the market in that situation. And we were recouped 2.42 profit to the upside in that trade. And we kept the rest on because we wanted the market in Tron to come up there to that 0.037 price. So we just wanted to nibble a little bit longer in the market in Tron just to see that play out. But it didn't do it because the next day the market closed below the high from the 7th. So simple. It tells you already that the market is fighting a sell wall that is impeding its movement higher, plain and simple. And immediately after that, the market fell off the cliff. So considering that we did take some profit off of the market July 7, 2019, we'll go ahead and get rid of that right now. And let's talk about what the price chart is showing us going forward for Tron. So zooming out on the daily time frame, you can tell that the market is still, well, at the time it was trading above this ascending line. And right here yesterday in the market, Tron fell below our ascending line. So what does that tell you? It tells you that that movement to the upside is broken. Okay, the movement to the upside is gone for the moment. Don't expect Tron to move higher in price, not yet. So what we're going to do, we are going to transition over into one of a consolidational trading range. That's what the market is telling us that it's going to do. It's going to hold some consolidational trading. And this is going to be the resistance area in the market in Tron in that consolidational trading range. Okay. Now this is just a rough draft. This is not precise. Anywhere around this line can be resistance. All right. So now let us go ahead and create another line of an actual support area in the market in Tron. So now this is just going to serve as our intermediate support area, okay? Because we are in a downtrend in the market in Tron. And this is where we will want to see increase in volume in the market in Tron, okay? And if it doesn't play out right here around this area, 0.022, then it tells you that we got a little bit lower to move, and the next area is going to be right here at 2 cents. Okay, so yes, the market in Tron is weak. We're going to hit this consolidational trading range for a couple more days. We need to see some strength, i.e. volume, come into the market, preferably where we are now. I do like that 0.024 area for support, but we're not really getting that volume coming to the space. So I'm still expecting a small dip to occur in the market in Tron. So we're going to go ahead and give you our expectations in the market right now on the daily time frame in Tron, and we're going to hold this area for support. Now I will TP the market right there at 0.0234. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring that up, 0.0234. So that would be about a 7% profit in the market. So let's go ahead and look at that. We would TP the market right there at 0.0233, which would give us about 7.16 profit move to the downside. All right, so bringing it back down to the ultimate area of support in the market, we're going to hold that there, and we are going to bring in this resistance area in the market in Tron. Right around there. So this is what our expectations are in the market, and as you can tell, we didn't speak any technical jargon. We're not here to confuse you, and our chart is very clean, and our explanation was also understanding as to what we're expecting the market and trying to do. So this is our expectations according to the price chart of what the market in Tron is expected to do. Definitely, we do support your comments, so give us your comments at the bottom section of this video and let us know if you think Tron is going to hold a consolidational range. Do you think we're going to hit another bullish move to the upside, or are we going to break that 0.022 price level in the market in Tron? Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and don't forget to check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com. There we give our analysis paired against Bitcoin. It's only for our members, so if you're not a member, you will not be able to get our analysis for the altcoins paired against Bitcoin. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.